This is the demonstration of menu walkthrough of branchless banking application. The branchless banking application is divided into these menus. The top level menu is inquiry, transactions, services, agent activities, utilities for the application, reports and few other tasks. Due to the limitation of screen size, we have arranged the transaction menu in few other menus like inquiry menu and report/other menu contains some more transaction related menus. Let us now check each individual menu items for more details. The inquiry menu contains the sub-menu items like balance inquiry, mini statement, customer search based on the name and account number, airtime recharge transactions, loan account query, and some other maintenance activities like checking the customer fingerprints, writing the account data on customer card, etc. The airtime recharge transaction menu has got few sub-menus for mobile recharge, DTH recharge, cash card recharge, bill payment options, and some other options for managing the mobile and DTH companies. Now let's get to the main menu. Now from transactions menu, these are the options available: cash deposit, cash withdrawals, fund transfer, recurring deposit installment collection, daily deposit installment collection, loan installment collection, demand draft issue request, account closing transactions, and customer card syncing option. Let's get back to the home screen again. The services option contains sub-menu like the customer open activity, that is the KYC, the account open, the new fixed deposit or term deposit opening, new recurring deposit opening, new daily deposit opening, account closing request, the customer card loss marking, the NREGA or let's say pension card mapping, and Aadhaar card mapping. Aadhaar is like a social security. Let's get back to the home screen. The agent menu contains the options for day-to-day activities of an agent. In this menu, there is an option for viewing the agent's account balance, viewing the agent's transaction summary, viewing the work history of agent, setting the various agent related parameters, the agent's end of the day process, importing a new account from the middleware to the device, the change password for an agent login, writing the agent transaction on a card for the maintenance purpose, and formatting a pen drive being used for backup. Let's get back to the home screen again. The utility menu contains the option for managing the application or device. It has got the options for online to offline marking wherever the device is working offline mode. It has the option for exporting the data to some pen drive, writing the customer fingerprints, the database backup, the file transfer for maintenance. It has got a special button named on demand call, which is used for syncing the device with the middleware for changes done at the middleware. Let's get back to the main screen again. The report menu contains some reports and some other transactions. It contains the report for agent's work history, customers receipts reprint, pending fingerprint enrollment report, agent's backdated history reports, the school fee transactions, remittance sending, remittance payment, money exchange transactions, and bill payment transactions. Let's get back to the main home screen. So this is the option available in branchless banking applications. Thank you.